To manually delete saved transcription of the live transcribe on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcribe and then tap open live transcribe. Tap the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap more setting. Scroll down the screen. Under saving section, tap delete history. As you can see, a pop-up appears to tell you that this action will delete saved transcription from your device. If you like to continue, tap delete to delete all saved transcription. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.